Right, good. Hey, good afternoon. Good afternoon, everybody. BDogg's Maths is here again. And we're going to be working still on data work. So Fridays is data day. What's Friday?
Data day.
Data day. All right, good. So we're going to do data day today. Data day today. Wow. We're going to do it's data day today. So it's data day today. Right, moving on. So we're going to do, last week we looked at tally charts and stuff, and I want to just do one question on tally charts, and I want you all to have a go at it as our starter activity. So it's not going to be difficult, but you're going to have to do it yourselves, all right? So let me just find the right one for you to do. I want to do this one, I think. No. Do this one. Yeah. Good. I'm gonna print screen that bad boy. Print screen. Yep. And I'm gonna go to Word. Yep. Go to a new document. Yep.
You like my mum? She just thinks out loud.
Yeah. Oh, thanks. Compare me to your mum. That's good. I don't know. That's a compliment. It's a compliment. Yeah. Right. So here we go. And here is your question, guys and girls. Sharing screen. Where have I just put you? Shoe size. There we go. And ka-ching. Right, here is your tally chart.
Okay.
All right. What I'd like you to do is you're going to draw this particular table into your book, and you're going to start off going through what I suggest personally do one column at a time. So if this was me, I would read to myself 4 2 2 5, and then I'd go 4 2 2 5, and then I'd go 2 2 2 1, so 2 2 2 1, and so on, and I go through the whole lot. All right? Okay. So you now in your books write the title tally chart. You can write shoe size if you want to, and then you're going to draw this table out, and then you're going to complete it for me. Are there any questions? Can I ask you all, please, to mute yourselves? Yeah, while you're doing this, because I don't want you to be talking out loud and getting other people distracted. All right, so focus on this. All right, you may begin.
So, do you just get the shoe sizes and each number you put them on the sizes?
In the right tally. So this is the shoe size number 4. So go to shoe size number 4 and you'll put a tally there. And then 2 and so on. Okay, Hayden?
Yeah, okay.
Good. Okay then.
I've finished.
Who is that?
Me.
Who's me?
Jay.
Jake. Okay, great, Jake. Jake, while you've finished then, Jake, what I'd like you to do for me, please, don't mind. Just double check and just make sure Millie's okay, because I can't see on my screen.
Oh, she's just gone away to get a pencil.
Oh, okay then. All right, cool. All right, and what I'm gonna do?
Yeah, I'm done as well.
Okay, great. 1 second then. you guys carry, everyone else carry on. I'm just going to. I should be able to do something. Fandabidosi. In the print screen now. 1 second. Go to this. Go to that. Go to that. Go to this. Go to that. Go to here. Oh. Okay, great.
I'm done as well.
Great. Great. So it's good timing, guys.
I'm still doing it.
Good timing, guys. We've got about a minute left. So for those that can get as far as you can in a minute, great. Not a problem if you can't get it all done. We're going to do it together and you're going to finish it off together anyways. Okay. Right.
Okay, I'm done.
Right, okay. Who's still working, by the way? Is it everybody? I've lost Millie. Jake, is Millie gone?
No, she's still doing the work.
Oh, hi, Millie. There you are. You still going?
She had to go get a pencil, so she didn't know what to do.
That's okay. No problems. We're gonna have more of this to do anyway, so it's not a problem. So we're gonna do. I'd like us to like do this together now, if that's all right, from wherever we are. So don't worry if you didn't get it completely finished. It's more important that you understand what you're doing rather than like rushing to get things done. I'm not really a fan of a rush. Oh, wrong one.
Pencil swap again.
Okay, we'll use this one. All right, so. All right, this should work, I think. Yes, okay, good. So, I'm gonna ask you some help. So, I'm going to fill these in. I'm gonna go column by column.
Okay.
And I'm gonna start with Millie. So, Millie, what you're gonna do is you're gonna read out these 4 numbers here to me.
4, 2, 2, 5.
4, 2, 2, 5. Thank you very much. Jake, you're next, please.
2, 2, 2, 1.
Thank you. And Joseph, you're next, please.
2, 3, 1, 2.
And Izzy, you're next, please.
2, 4, 1,
2, 4, 1, what, sorry?
3.
3, thank you. And Toby, you're next, please.
Hang on, which one was it?
We're on this one now, Toby.
1, 1, 3, 4.
1, 1, 3, 4, thank you. And Millie. No, yeah, Millie, finish off.
1, 3, 3, 1.
1, 3, 3,
You missed me.
1.
No one did 3, 2, 1, 2.
So then we've got one more
No
to
one
go.
did me.
We've got one more to go. Joe.
Hang on. 1, 3, 3, 1.
No, we've done that one. We're missing.
Oh,
we're missing
3, 2, 1, 2.
3, 2, 1, 2. Good. So hopefully we should end up with 8, 10, 6, 3, and 1 as your answer.
Yay.
We'll get that correct.
Yes.
All right, your next task then is I'm going to ask you to answer some questions based upon this information. And I want each answer to be in a full sentence, please. All right.
But we're here to do maths.
Oh yes, but how do you do maths?
literacy.
You have to do a different language as well. Mathematics is a language that unfortunately we need all the time. So full sentences, please. If you don't mind. If you do, then I'm afraid it's tough. Sorry. Easy, evil man. Paste. Copy. Crop to these ones. So you're gonna have. So based upon that table that you can all see, I want you to answer the following 8 questions in full sentences, if you can. Are you ready? There you go.
Oh, yeah.
Hopefully that's readable.
Ziggle. Yes, yes, yes.
So full sentences. So you're gonna look at your table. Oh, Millie, is your table complete now? No. All right. I'm gonna. Well,
The second one's 10.
What's the next one?
6.
What's the next one?
3.
Next one.
1.
Okay.
good. So now you have to read these questions now to yourself and then see if you can answer. Again, I'm gonna ask you to put yourself on mute so you can concentrate and see how we get on with this. Thank you very much.
I've finished.
Who's that?
Me, Jake.
Jake. We got 8 full sentences, Jake.
Yeah.
Wow. Okay then. Fine. Fine. So that was quick. let's see how. Can I have just a show of hands for those that are on question number 3 or less? Okay, those on question number 4.
One question.
Question number 4. Those on question number 5. Number 6. Number 7. And number 8. Those that are finished. Okay, cool. Okay, I need to think of another question for Jake to do. Jake, I'm going to think of a question for you, all right, mate? I'll make one up for you. Okay. Jake,
Yeah.
if you were to say, you were going to randomly pick a student from the group, what shoe size would you think might be the student shoe size? So if you were to pick a random person, what would you say is the most likely shoe size that you'd say? Okay, right. So I think it's time to go through them. Right. Okay. So I'm going to go through name by name. You're going to give me your sentence. So, Jake, question number 1. Which shoe size is the most popular?
The most popular shoe size was 2.
Okay. Do you agree? Do you agree? Yeah. Okay, good. Fine. No. Hayden, please. Number 2.
Number 2, size 5 was the least popular.
Good. Nice difference. Nice difference. I like it. Number 3, Izzy.
Number 1 was the smallest shoe size.
Number 1 was the smallest shoe size.
Yeah.
Number 4. You said number 3.
I said number 3.
Wait, what?
Number 3. Question number 3.
Oh, the biggest one was 5.
Is that your sentence? Is that the actual sentence? Is that your actual sentence that you wrote?
Oh, I just put the largest shoe size was 5.
That's a better sentence. That's a much better sentence. Yeah. Good. I'm looking at how you establish, because in maths, when we do these things, any data stuff, we have to finish with a good sentence at the end. We don't want to confuse people. That's very good. Question number 4. Millie, did you manage to do question number 4?
It's 1.
What is the smallest shoe size?
1.
Yeah, good. Did you do it in a sentence for me? Or can you say it in a sentence? No? Repeat after me then. Repeat after me. The smallest shoe size is size 1.
The smallest shoe size is 1.
That'll do. Very good. Excellent. Good. Number 5. How many more children had size 2, size 4, Joe? Number 5, Joe. You might have to unmute yourself first.
Yes, I'm muted.
Oh, sorry. The difference. Shut up, Mom. The difference between the amount of children that had size 2 shoes and size 4 is 7.
Great. Is that true?
Question 5,
Yeah,
7.
Is that true though? Is that true? Do we agree with that, guys?
Actually,
I agree with that, because 10 take away 3 is 3.
Yes.
put me under pressure.
Oh no, yeah, good, isn't it? Never mind, eh? That's his life. Okay, number 6. How many fewer children had size 5 shoes than size 1 shoes, Jake? No, Toby.
So the question said how many fewer children had size 5 shoes and size 1. Was it size 1? Wasn't it? Was it size 1, Brendan?
You said that you could put it into a sentence, so where's your sentence, mate?
Was it size 1?
I'm not saying anything. You got the question. It's up to you. Right. How many fewer children had size 5 shoes than size 1 shoes?
7 fewer children had size 5 shoes than size 1 shoes.
Great. Okay. Next and last sentences. I want my sentences, please. Number 7. Jake, how many customers did the shop have on the day of the survey?
The shop had 28 customers on the day of the survey.
Joseph, do you agree with Jake's answer to question 7?
Yeah.
Yeah, how did you work that out?
Pardon?
How did you work it out? Question 7.
I added them all together.
Thank you. Order the shoe sizes from the most popular to the least popular. Toby.
So the most popular, so the order of how popular the shoes were goes down in 2, 1, 3, 4, and 5.
2, 1, 3, 4, 5 is correct. Is the correct list. The sentence needs a little bit of structuring, but that's good. That's good. That's why we practice. When we do these statistics, I'll give you a true story. Yeah. When I worked for a company, which I can't tell you the name of, the company was a very big company regarding to providing a resource for the community. All right. So, And the resource is that you would turn up, you'd go up on a day, and if you wanted to get a movie, you would go there and get a film, and you'd rent the film out for a few days and bring it back. So I worked for that company. And when I worked for that company, I realized that on certain times of the day, there were not many customers coming in. And there was still like me and like 2 or 3 other staff working, and there's the lights being paid for. And I'm thinking there's a lot of money being wasted here, because should the shop be open now or not? And I'm thinking, well, perhaps maybe the shop should be closed earlier and then open earlier on certain days. So I did some data work. I did some tracking, some information, how many customers came in, came out, whatever. And I did a massive, great big presentation to the people that run the business. And they decided with my data that they would close early on a Thursday and a Tuesday and open half an hour later on a Friday and a Saturday. And the company made over £5,000 more that year than they did the year before. Just because I got all the data together.
Did they give you a pay rise?
I may have got a pay rise. But the key thing is that the reason why I did the maths is because I'm the mathematician, just like you guys are the mathematician right now. But when you present to somebody that's not a mathematician, you have to present it in a way that they understand. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
So that's why you have to practice your ability to write the complicated maths in a simple way so people can understand. That's why when teachers say write it in full sentences or make sure it makes sense, so on and so, it's all the skills you're learning. So hopefully you can do it in your future. And another story, when one of my first ever jobs was working for McDonald's. And I can name that company because it's a common story actually. And when I worked there, one time I was working at one of the stores, which I won't name, and they got the company at McDonald's. Each branch, most branches are owned by a person. A person buys the branch, and then like runs it for McDonald's. So one person decided to hire me to work at a branch nearer to where I live to open the store up and basically train all the staff and everything. And the boss used me to create PowerPoint presentations and mathematical diagrams and stuff to take to different places to say, look, this is what we're doing as a superstore. So something that really simple, you can use as a sideline job. So practicing these skills at the age of 7, 8, 9, 10, it's a very good thing, 11, very good thing to be used then for the future. So these sentences things, very, very important. So don't knock it, please. All right, let's carry on. So that was tally charts, and I'm really impressed with that, by the way. I'm happy. Did we do it? Did we have Division 8? Yeah, we did. So now we're going to look at another tally chart, but this time it's called a group tally chart. Any ideas what I mean by a group tally chart? Any ideas?
A group does it.
Any ideas?
A group of tally chart.
A grouped tally chart. Have you got any idea?
There's lots of different tally charts.
Oh, it could be like that. Couldn't it? Yeah, why? That makes sense. So I'll get a little baby tally chart, and I get like a mummy tally chart, and a daddy tally chart. I get like and I put them all together, and I get a group. Yeah, could be, but it's not. Could be, Millie. Very could be. The answer is, that data you just did when you went through all the list and you put them all into different things. Well, here is what a grouped tally chart looks like. If I can find it now. I build the climax and I can't find it. Here we go. Print screen. Word. Document. Delete. Paste. There. Crop. Cut. And cut again. And you're going to do this one for me as well. If you don't mind, that'd be great. This should not take you long either. Okay. Should not take long whatsoever. So here is your grouped table coming up now. There we go. A grouped tally chart. I'm going to just move it up a bit. All right. So here are some videos. Now you might not know about videos nowadays, but DVDs, hired by 8L. So a class have gone into hired some of these things. Here we have So 5 was hired by this person, 1 hired by this person, 9 was hired by this person, 0, 0, and so on and so on. You're going to do a tally, but now you haven't got all numbers from 0 to 11 all the way down. You've just got them into little groups. So your data will get grouped now into 0 to 2, 3 to 5, 6 to 8, 9 to 11. All right. So off you go. Please draw the table, and then if you don't mind just doing that tally for me, that'd be great. There you get on. Anyone get stuck on that? Just let me know, and I will help out. Come on, Hayden, get away at you. Something around.
What? Doing what?
Ed.
What's up? What was that? How you doing? What's that? Jay, what are you doing? You got work to do, Jay.
I'm doing just drawing the tally.
Okay then. We decide what games to play today. What game should we play? Space Juice.
Done.
Great. Has everybody at least drawn the table?
Yeah.
So you're just using the data. Good. Okay. So 1 second.
I've done as well.
Good. So what's going to happen is now, I'm just being a bit weird here. I'm just going to make this a little bit smaller. So what I've got now is another lot of data here.
Can't see.
So you can still see the data from the first question, not a problem. And now here's the second question, just overlapping with the second question for those that want to carry on doing some work. Don't try not to get confused between this data here, which is for question number 1, and then this data here, which is for question number 2.
Okay.
Okay, how are you doing, guys?
I won the second one you gave me.
Yeah, okay, good. Good, Joseph. Good.
I've finished the second one.
Is that you, Joe? Is that
Me, Jake.
Jake? Cool.
Again.
Jake, have you got like sort of like a super fast pencil or something that works?
I just love maths.
Okay, good. Do you want to just make sure that your sister's okay then while you're doing that then?
Okay.
Yeah, you getting on, Toby?
I need another piece of paper. I can't find one, so I'll be back.
Okay, mate. I won't start without you. Is you all right, Jake?
Yeah, she just needed a little bit of help with something.
Yeah, good. She's doing really well. I'm really proud of her. Izzy, how are you doing?
She's muted.
What is it with you people in this mute button?
I'm halfway through the second one.
Okay, good.
Same.
So, Jake, what can I ask you to do, Jake? I'd like to know, Jake. I want 3 sentences about each table.
Okay.
So whether using like something similar to what the questions were last time, you know, like, but this time your answer is going to be like a group. So you might see. So if you anyway, for all those that are finished, actually, this is what your next task will be: is to write me six sentences, 3 on the first table and 3 on the second table. Could be, and you can't use this one. So I'm just going to say something like the most popular group is the 6 to 8 group, something like that, or the least popular group is the 9 to 8. You could, you know, something. You got to any sentence like that really, but your answer will be a group rather than an individual number. Something to a bit of a fly.
Oh no! I never mind.
Stay shield of Captain U.
That's really not helping.
That was not helpful.
I'm coming!
Right, come on, you're rushing.
Oh, backwards! I'm here!
What?
A bit of a fly around.
Oh, like we needed to know that. You're
A
here.
bit of a fly around.
Flying around space.
You know what I mean?
Like
And
a
that
madman.
European music, off.
I like Joe's comment. That's not helping. At least I managed to turn the mute off to do it.
Joe, 2020. That's not helping.
You're working really well. You got my 6 sentences, guys?
No.
No.
Think about it. Let's do this again.
That's nothing.
Yeah. Wait a second.
No, we want to do the second one.
Just leave that there. Write 3 sentences together.
And everyone, please shut down.
Where's it down?
Yeah,
Write some
hard.
sentences. I just told
Millie to do the sentences, and then she said it was hard.
Your sentence knows what kind.
Okay, then. I think we've got to a point when we can kind of relax a bit.
What is it? I never took. It's down there.
Right. So. Okie dokie. So the tallies, I don't think we're going to have any issues with the tallies. However, I'm going to ask somebody to just. I'm going to quickly just going to roll through these bad boys. Oh, I need that. I didn't know that. Delete that.
6 gone to the toilet.
Okay then. Thank you very much. So here we go. Just gonna put down. I think I'm just gonna put. Oh, I might just. Should I just do them quickly? Just do them quickly. Why don't I?
Every lady needs to take a meteor.
So 585, 585, 1310, 1310, 951, 9.
Do it in your head.
Sorry.
Do it in your
Are
head.
you still going?
Yeah, I'm trying to write sentences.
Sorry.
I'm not good at literacy.
Oh, you are. You're so nice. Sorry.
I just came back from the toilet.
Well, he told the truth. It really wasn't helping.
Okay. Do you guys agree with me? Hayden, do you agree? I got a nod from Hayden. Izzy, is that correct? Izzy, can I have a thumbs up? Or thumbs down?
yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
that's okay, cool. Okay, good. So no, that's right then. And copy, paste.
No, Brendan, I didn't agree with you. The
You
one
didn't?
was wrong. The last one was wrong.
This one's wrong.
There's 5 9 to 11s.
So where have I gone wrong then? 1, 2, 3, 4. There is 5. So where have I gone wrong? 3 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 30. No, 7, 7 is 14, 18, 20, 20. Have I missed a row out? 7, 7 is 14, 18, 18 and 9 is 27. I've missed a row out, haven't I? What row have I missed out then? Are these correct, guys? Can we just confirm these? Do I have to do them again?
I thought the 9 to 11 was 5.
Yeah,
There it is 5.
but do you agree with the other 3?
It is 5.
Yeah.
Do you agree with the other
I thought that 9 was 10.
6, 7, 8,
That
9,
9's
10.
10, isn't it?
I disagree with all. I think I've missed a row out. I missed a column out somewhere because look, 7 7 is 14, 14 and 4 is 18, 18 and 9 is 27, and it's 30 numbers. So I think I've missed a column out somewhere. Which column I missed out? So let's double check this then now. Let's do
16, 93.
Let's do this again.
28.
Let's have a look. Let's have a look. So I've got 585. 5, 8, 5, 1, 3, 10, 1, 3, 10, 9, 5, 1, 9, 5, 1. 0, 6, 7, 0, 8, 3, 0, 6, 7, 0, 8, 3. 6, 9, 6, 6, 9. Oh no. 6, 9, 6. Oh, that's gonna just mess it up. Oh no. 6, 9, 6.
If you look at this though, that's weird.
And then 7, 0, 7. 7, 0, 7. 10, 0, 7. 10, 0, 7. And 5, 1, 5. 5, 1, 5. And 9, 4, 4. 9, 4, 4. So that means that this should be 8 instead. That should be 8 instead. That should still be 9. And that should be 5.
No, it's 9 4 4. You put one in the 0 and the 2, or was I not looking properly?
Have I gone wrong here? Is that wrong? Is that wrong?
I know
now?
you've got that's 30. That's 30.
Yeah, and that's not 30. But is that not correct? And this is this incorrect? Which one's correct then now, guys?
I don't know. I got 7795.
So did I.
Ooh, so right, looks like we have to do
Oh,
this
no, I
together then, guys. Okay, happy days. I'm excited. Right, let's see. Then let's go for a red pen job, and let's see together, slowly, with your help, if you can help me to get this right.
Brendan.
So, Toby, what you're going to do is you're going to read out the top row. Go.
5, 1, 9, 0.
Sorry. 9, 0.
0. 6, 7, 10. No, you need another one in the 6 to 8 because I said 6, 7, 10.
No, he's got enough.
Oh, wait,
He's got enough.
No, sorry, stop.
Come on.
5, 9.
Right, so that's that one. Okay,
Right.
that's the top row.
Right, I scared
Now
you.
let's do the middle row, Jake.
8, 3, 5, 6.
Oh, that's wrong.
Mhm.
Yeah,
8,
yeah,
9,
yeah,
0,
yeah,
0,
yeah,
1,
yeah.
4.
4.
Ah,
Okay, right, okay. We're getting there now. Let's have a look. And the final row.
Me.
Joseph, final row.
5,
You say 5 then.
5,
Yeah,
10,
yeah,
1,
yeah.
7, 3, 6. 7, 7, 5, 4.
5.
Ooh. 7.
Oh, that's
7,
right.
8,
Actually, right.
So the answer
7.
actually is
7995. That's what I
That's
had.
what I forgot.
What I had.
9, 5. Good.
Over
Putting
9
me
5.
under pressure because you got it wrong.
Jay.
Why?
Yeah,
Why?
because you kept on going. Hang on, no, there's something wrong with this one, and I'm like, "Argh."
Wasn't there something wrong with it?
What's that number?
You put 794, and we were arguing at 795.
Yeah,
You
but
didn't believe us.
I had this first. I had 7 7 9 4. Nobody corrected my 7 to 9.
Brandon, I sent you a message.
Okay, thank you.
What? Say it out
I
loud.
sent
No.
a message.
Yeah, I
So,
should have
so,
clicked.
so basically, that was, I mean,
Everyone's
I mean, and then obviously, we got another one to do here. But I wanted to play a game, and we only have time, so we're gonna have to you're gonna have to kind of just double check this out to yourself.
Yeah.
I want to play.
I'll check mine. Mine's ready. Let's play the game.
Yeah.
Right,
Quick, let's play the game.
Stop share. Let me just check these messages while I'm doing this.
Mine's correct. Mine's correct.
Are
Mine's
you
correct.
ready?
Mine's correct.
That one's helping.
Mine's correct. Mine's correct.
Yeah,
Mine's
no
correct.
problem.
Serious
Ow,
mode.
ow.
Yeah, good. So, okay.
Sideways.
Right, so then, that is group tally tables. And we've got single tally tables. And then next week, my plan next week is to possibly look at either pictograms or maybe bar charts or something like
Feeling
that.
it.
All right, and work our way through those things. So make sure you got your pencil and your ruler and stuff ready for next week because we might need to do some.
When is it next week?
Same. So Joseph, we have 2 classes a week. I do Wednesday, as you know, 10:30 to 11:30, and today 12:30 to 1:30.
Okay.
All right, so they'll always be on, and as long as we're in lockdown, I'll be doing those. And obviously,
Okay.
if you go back to school or whatever, then obviously there's no point in doing them. Going back at school. Okay, cool. All right, so we've got 10 minutes, so we can play a game.
A game?
Yeah.
A game?
What I'm going to ask now, I
Playing a
think
game. I need to.
I like
we're
it.
going to play this. It's a very strange game,
Why?
and it's going to involve you all taking part. And we're gonna try it and see if it works. If it doesn't work, if it works, it's a nice one. I like to experiment things. These are really funny. So this is a game called Sprouts.
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 Wait.
All right. Now it's a very
Brussels
it's
sprout.
a game where I need you all of you now needs to concentrate and needs to be able to work with each other. All right.
I believe in all of you, apart from me.
And we've only got 8 minutes, so let's see how we get on with it. Let me share.
I mean, that's not helping either.
Let me share what.
10.
Right, so here we go. So this is how Sprouts works. I'm going to draw
A Brussels sprout.
3.
Sprout.
I'm going to start
I
off.
was just gonna say that.
I'm going to start off with 3 sprouts.
Do we have to eat them?
No. There's one
Okay.
sprout.
Joe, how's he gonna give?
Sprouts are green.
There's another sprout. And there's another sprout.
Ow. Why can't you
That's
make them
simple.
green?
What's going to happen is I'm going to give control of this screen to all of you individually, one by one.
Sick. I want to write my name.
When you
Joe
get-
was here.
Joe, we're going to run out of time if you want to keep interrupting. When we get chance, what's going to happen is, for example, it might be Millie's turn. Millie would then draw from one sprout to another sprout in any way she wants to, and then add a sprout on her line. Okay?
The sprout on a sprout connected by
Sprout
rope.
on a sprout on a sprout. And
No,
then what
sprout on a
happens is
sprout
then
connected by a bean.
you're going to go around. You can't cross any other lines whatsoever, but you can join another sprout.
And then put
you need to put a
another
sprout on that
sprout.
line as well. And there is a rule. Okay? No sprout can have more than 3 lines coming from it.
Oh, no.
What about when you've run out of sprouts?
Well, hopefully, every time you do a sprout, you add another sprout on that line, don't you? So hopefully, there will be another sprout
And then
available.
you draw. Oh, I got. Oh no.
Are you going to
That one.
draw a
But you're
sprout
not-
at the
but
very
you're
end?
not allowed to cross another sprout line. So you have to be careful.
No.
All right?
Green.
Let's see how you guys get on.
Sprouts.
So I'm going to start off. I'm going to give Millie the first chance because I think she's the youngest. So Millie, your name's Millie on there. So
I've
here you go, Millie.
requested.
You've got control now. So no, what's going on there, Joe? What are you doing?
I'm not doing anything.
Control. Right, Millie.
What did I do?
You asked for control. Right, Millie. Here's your control.
I didn't
Take it,
mean
Lucas.
to.
Decline. Stop asking for control. I will give you the control.
I'm not doing
Stop
it.
asking for control.
Shut up!
Look, my hands are here.
It's not you, it's somebody else then. Right, here we go. Millie. There you go. Millie, you've got control now. So you can join up. Hold on a second. Let me set it up.
Any
Yeah.
sprout.
That's it. You can join up any sprout you want to now.
Draw a sprout.
Use green.
If you hit the control,
For the sprout on the line.
control.
Sprout on the line, Millie.
Do a little sprout for me.
Ooh.
Yeah, nice sprout. Well done. Okay.
That's an amazing sprout.
That looks like a weird sprout.
Yeah.
Izzy, you have control now.
Sproutorama.
Sprout up.
Oh, I've got a joke. What did the sprout do? He sprouted.
Yeah, oh dear. What is that?
He sprouted outwards.
So funny.
What?
Yeah, okay, cool. It's a sprout.
Oh, it's a loop.
It's a loop sprout.
Oh.
Thank you. Okay, thank you. Okay, stop. Izzy, stop. Just leave it alone. Take your finger off. Izzy, just leave it alone.
Stop.
Izzy, let me do it. Thanks. Dear me. Absolute nightmare. Right, okay, which one? Izzy, is Millie. Who's that? Abort control. It's got to be her. Can only be that one person. I'm gonna. Hold on a second.
Me? I haven't been given permission.
I've disabled annotations.
Can still draw.
So right, we're going to go for Toby.
No, don't trust him.
I'm gonna trust my
No, let me draw.
Hold on a second. It should do. Hold on a
I
second.
need a colour.
You have to click on it.
One second, please. 1 second.
Stop messing.
I want you to do.
I need a
It
colour.
was a 1 second.
There you go.
It's been 1 second.
2 seconds.
Just saying.
Well, let me draw.
Oh, there it is.
That didn't work. Ready, can you rub that out? I can't rub it out.
1 second.
I've got it.
No, you just rubbed out my sprout.
You just rubbed out a sprout.
He rubbed out a sprout.
Why won't you let me do
Not
anything,
working.
children? Oh,
This
you
is
put my-
not
okay.
working.
It won't work if you let me. If you let
That's
me do it.
that's a green.
It's still fun to watch, though. Oh, where's it going? Okay, thank you. Now, don't do anything now. Let me do the rest.
Oh, Thomas the Tank Engine.
Thomas the Tank Engine.
Thomas the Tank Engine? What?
Right, now on to Joseph.
No.
Ah.
Oh,
Have control.
oh wait, this isn't on. This isn't on.
That's not letting me.
Is it not writing?
Click on one of the pens.
I like noodles.
You should draw if you just draw. Hopefully.
You have to
Is it working,
hold
Joseph?
it down.
I like noodles. I like noodles. I like noodles. I like noodles.
Toby, calm down, please.
I'm an aeroplane.
It's not working, Joe. Joseph. Oh, you've gone back a page.
I'm an aeroplane.
Have you done that? 1 second. How do you do that? There you go.
Hippo and
Jippo.
There you go. She should be drawing now, I think, hopefully.
Mm.
If you just
Hippo and
draw.
Jippo.
Is it not working, Joseph?
No.
No, okay, I'll do Joseph. Where do you want to go, Joseph? I want to go. I'll do this one here. We're going to run out of time. I want to just see if this works. So there's Joseph's go. And then who else has that? Who has not had a go yet?
Me.
Jake.
Yay.
How dare you?
You deserve it, Hayden. You deserve
You
it.
realise
You
that
have
it
to wait.
says Hippo and Jippo. Jay.
Is he going with that one? Oh, it's serious.
That's weird.
Joseph, I'll figure out why yours didn't work. Like, I'll Google it and find out why it didn't work. Right, let's go for Hayden. Oh, where are you, Hayden? You're not on my list.
Hello.
He's with Hippo and Jippo.
Oh, it's
Hippo and
changing his name.
Jippo.
I'm Jippo.
Go on in.
I'm Hippo.
Hayden
Ooh,
first.
from better then.
Can I? Oh, yes, I can. I can draw.
From better.
What about up here? Ooh. Ooh.
Not
Oh, you can't
that.
got that one. That's got 4 from it already. You broke the sprout rule.
Robot is dead.
No.
Undo.
You broke the sprout rule.
Oh.
Do it again.
Because he brought this bottle.
How has it got 4 lines to it? Because it's got the big one, and then that line that goes through the middle of it is the same line. So technically, there's
Yeah,
only
but
2
still.
lines.
No.
Hippo and Jippo.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Can I have a go now, please?
Keep asking, you won't get
Jay's got to have a go. Have you had a go yet, Jay? Hayden, have you done your go yet?
Oh. And do I need to do go?
Yeah, you haven't done a go. Oh, no, Jay, you'll go. Jay, you have a go. Where are you going to go, Jay?
Go.
And then Joe.
Yeah, it goes from.
That's everybody then, isn't it?
Yeah.
I just couldn't see anything. Nobody's using my sprout.
Oh, you can't go there. That's got 4. Oh, no.
Naughty.
Oh, so that's Jay gone as well. Right then, Joe.
Yes.
Are you able to find an acceptable sprout route? I can see 1.
I can see 2.
I can go. It's not working. Oh, yeah, it is. And there.
Is that the end of the game? I think that might be the end of the game because Joe, come off my computer, you. Abort control. Dear. So, I think we've aborted control because
It looks like a cauliflower.
Let's have a look now. The sprouts that are still available. I've got this sprout available, and I've got this sprout available.
And there's a sprout.
There's a sprout.
There, yeah.
That one's available.
That one's available.
No, I don't. I think that's a mistake.
I didn't say do it.
Oh, that is one because it goes
That is
from
one.
there to there to where my line is.
So I could go from here to here then.
Yeah.
Then I think that might be the end of the game.
No, and then you can. Oh yeah.
2
I can go
eyeballs.
from here to here. Right, good. Well done. That's a bit of fun. Bit of fun game sprouts. I like sprouts. Sprouts is cool.
It looks like a cauliflower.
What?
And my smiley face just sums it all up. It's happy.
Dear me. Right. Anyways,
happy
folks, that was
smiley
fun. So Wednesdays, I'll see you all Wednesdays. I'm going to stop recording now.